In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand kit in Pictory AI. This is a fundamental step for ensuring that all your video content consistently represents your brand's unique style and message. First, let's start by visiting the official Pictory AI website. Once you're there, locate the login page and click on it. Now, instead of manually entering your credentials, you can simply click on Continue with Google. This is both a convenient and secure option for signing in, saving you a bit of time and keeping your account protected. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Pictory AI. Here you will need to look for the Brand Kits option. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to branding on this platform. Once you're in the Brand Kits section, you will see an option that says Create a Brand. Click on this, as it will lead you to where you can start building your brand's unique kit. The first thing you need to do is type in your brand name. Make sure it's accurately spelled and reflects your brand. The brand name sets the tone for everything else, so double check it before moving forward. Now it's time to upload your brand logo. This visual element is crucial because it's often the first thing people recognize about your brand. Make sure your logo file is of high quality and in a compatible format, like a PNG. Once your logo is uploaded, the next step is selecting your brand colors. These colors should align with your existing brand identity. Using consistent colors across your videos will strengthen your brand's presence and make it more memorable to viewers. Following that, you'll choose a brand font. Fonts play a significant role in conveying your brand's personality. Whether your brand is fun and quirky or serious and professional, there's a font to match that perfectly. Take your time in selecting one, as this font will be used across all your video content to maintain consistency. After all these elements are carefully selected and you feel satisfied with your choices, it's finally time to create your brand kit. To do this, simply hit the Create button, and that's how you create a brand kit in Pictory AI. Having all these foundational elements in place will ensure your videos have that professional and cohesive feel every time. Remember, standing out with a consistent brand identity is key in today's digital world. Whether you're creating content for personal projects or marketing campaigns, a brand kit is your secret weapon for visual consistency and brand recognition. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy branding!